Are your QuickBooks Online transactions a bit of a mess? Categorizing them correctly can save you hours when it comes to reporting and taxes. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to categorize your transactions in QuickBooks Online the right way, so your finances stay organized and accurate throughout 2025. First, let's log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, head over to the Banking or Transactions menu. Here, you'll see all your bank and credit card transactions that have been imported. Now, categorizing is all about matching each transaction to the right account. QuickBooks often suggests categories automatically based on your history. These categories include things like utilities, office supplies, rent, or income. But it's important to double-check that QuickBooks has chosen the correct category. To do this, click on a transaction. You'll see the category or account field. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can select the account that matches the nature of your expense or income. For example, if you bought office chairs, you might select office supplies. If it's a client payment, you'd choose income, sales. Another tip is to use rules in QuickBooks. Rules automatically categorize similar transactions in the future. For instance, if every month your internet bill comes from the same provider, you can set a rule that automatically assigns it to utilities. This saves a lot of time and reduces errors. After assigning the correct category, make sure to review the transaction. Check the date, amount, and any attached receipts. Accuracy here ensures your reports are reliable and your tax filings are stress-free. Once you've categorized a few transactions, you can click Batch Actions to confirm multiple transactions at once, which speeds up the process for busy months. QuickBooks will now reflect your categorizations in reports like Profit and Loss, making it easy to see where your money is going. And that's it. By carefully categorizing each transaction and using rules for recurring expenses, you'll have clean, organized financial data all year long. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a QuickBooks tip for 2025. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.